Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. Hope you've been enjoying my videos. Check out my other videos. I've got a bit of a range of stuff on there. Today I'm unboxing, and it's just come in the mail. I'm very excited. Is my GoPro 10. Now, I've been doing all my videos on my phone so far and on my GoPro Hero 3. So I've upgraded to a 10. Hopefully I'm going to get some better footage with that. So I will admit, first up, I got a little excited and had a bit of a false start, and I did tear this little strip off the bottom already. So this little strip was sitting on the bottom here like that, and I tore off very beautifully, I must say, for a box. It just worked. It was great. So let's have a look what's on the box. It says uploads your footage to the cloud while charging. Now, I have not paid for the GoPro subscription, so I will not be uploading to the cloud. I'll be just downloading straight to my computer. It says in the box this one has a camera, a battery, a screw mount, a little clippy mount, a cable and a case. I didn't get a SD card with this camera. Now, on the side here, the features is 32 megapixel camera, 5.3K video, pretty good. Most of my stuff I film in 4K and drop down. It is waterproof without the case, to 33 feet or 10 meters. Has voice control, very interested to see how that works. I might do another video on that. 8 times slow-mo, data overlays, time warp, 1080p live streaming, super raw HDR and raw photos. We already mentioned uploads to the cloud, webcam mode, and mod ready, which means you can get a lot of things like lights and microphones and things that go on it. So let's get into it. Let's open it up. As I said, I've already pulled the little tab off the bottom. So out it comes. I'll sit this nicely here just so that it looks great in the video, hopefully. Okay, very nice looking little case here. GoPro embroidered on it, a zip. It's great. I'm going to be carrying it around in that case. Whoa, out it comes. We have GoPro, what are they? They look like a little sticker. It's got a quick app, download the store, so you'd scan that on your phone, the little QR code, and it will take you to something. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. So out of the box, you can't use it straight away. It says you can update it. Install the quick app on your phone. That there takes you to the GoPro quick app to update your phone. You can also visit GoPro Update Hero 10 Black. So you can do it on the internet. Now, we have the cable. It is a USB-C to a USB adapter with a nice little twisty tie. We won't open that. Now, I won't look at some of this other stuff. We'll get this camera out here. It comes with the little security tab protectors. Pull that off so I can look at the lens. Lens looks pretty good. It's got a nice paper case around it to protect it. I'll just slide that off, I guess. Then on the back it says your camera must be updated before you can use it. Let's peel that off. Okay, so looking at the screen here, has a nice screen, has a nice feel. I do like that GoPro now have these little locky tabs down the bottom for mounting on your camera that go out of the way. So, might leave that one on the front for a little bit. Let's see what happens. It won't turn on. The battery doesn't come in it. Battery wrapped in plastic. I've got one battery with this. So let's have a look. Where's the battery go without reading the instructions? See if I can work it out. That one there. Looks like it slides down and out. That's quite tight. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Quite easy to get into. A little bit firm. That may free up with a bit of use. The rubbers and everything on the seals are still tight. So, in goes the battery. Then it clips down. Rightio. Let's see if it turns on. Yep, turns on. No SD card, surprising. Battery needs a charge before I do anything else. It's wanting to shut off. And it's saying update. It's coming up saying welcome and everything. So, powering down. There we go. We have a little GoPro clippy thing. Nice of them to give you one mount with it. A sticky back mount with a little suction cup. And down the bottom here, nicely packed, is the screw that it goes through into it. So, is there anything else under it? No. It's a very nice little case. I might leave that in there, I think. So, there you have it, guys. GoPro Hero 10 unboxing. Check it out. Look out for the videos coming up on it. Guys, get out there, have fun in the bush, 4-wheel driving, and watching my videos.